friction hinge in your laptop, it's a ticking time bomb. Let's autopsy why traditional hinges are still the engineering gold standard. We're tearing down the math, the materials, and the marketing lies. Friction hinges rely on surface contact, coefficient of friction. Simple, right? Wrong. Thermal cycling changes it. Heat expands metal. Gaps close. Torque spikes. Next bottleneck, material fatigue. Engineers add polymer pads to fix the spike. Smart. No. Polymer degrades under UV and heat. Torque drops. Laptop face splints. Next bottleneck, replacement logistics. Traditional hinges use a ball detent system, predictable torque curve. Grease handles thermal expansion, mathematically stable. Next bottleneck, chassis thickness. Designers love friction hinges for zero gap aesthetics, but zero gap means zero serviceability. Glued shut. You wait 3 weeks for a part. Traditional hinge costs $2. Weak design choice. Structural stress concentrates at the pivot point. Thin chassis amplifies it. Fatigue cracks form after 5,000 open-close cycles. Traditional hinges distribute load across a wider axis. Stress dissipates. Thermal efficiency matters. Friction generates heat at the pivot. That heat bleeds into the motherboard, degrades nearby capacitors. Traditional hinges use open architecture. Heat escapes. Next bottleneck, latency and user experience. You want to adjust your screen angle. Friction hinge resists, you fight it. Torque decay means it never holds position. Traditional hinge locks instantly. Predictable, reliable, mathematically elegant. Vintage schematics from 1995 prove this. Laptops back then used friction springs and ball detents. They lasted decades. Modern ones last 2 years. We traded engineering for marketing. Torque decay rate tells the truth. Friction hinges lose 15% holding power after 10,000 cycles. Traditional hinges stay within 1% tolerance. The math doesn't lie. You're paying for a flex problem. Thin laptops demand friction hinges, but thinness isn't engineering. It's a compromise. Traditional hinges prove durability beats aesthetics every time. Stop romanticizing over-engineered garbage. Traditional hinges are the gold standard. Comment your hinge trauma below. Let's argue about torque curves, polymer degradation, and why vintage schematics still win.